can still make money online just by downloading apps. There's no real way to make money online for nothing. Obviously, no such thing as a free lunch. But there are certain ways to make money online that are very close to zero effort and are very quick to do. We're not talking about a huge amount of money. We're not going to be replacing employment with this trick, but if you want to earn a little bit of extra, a little bit of casual earning online, buy yourself a little treat on the weekend, this might be for you. Here's how to make money downloading apps. So strictly speaking, we're talking about something called sign-up offers. And if you just want to do a Google, you want to look for these opportunities, that's more what you should use rather than searching for just get paid to download apps. And why are you getting paid? Quite simply, some of these apps are so successful, so large, that they will pay users. It might only be 50 cents, it might only be $1, but they'll pay them just to get the app, just to check out the app, in the hope that enough of those users actually stay with the product and maybe buy something more. It's that simple. Now, rather than going out and looking for individual sign-up offers, which would take you a very long time and really be a waste of your time for how little each one pays, instead, you want to find a platform that collects all of these offers in one place so you can spam through, bang, 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 and earn a little bit. As I said, it's not much, but this is basically, well, close to zero effort. There's a lot of platforms out there that offer this kind of service, but in this video, we're going to talk about Freecash. Now, you can use the link in our bio to make an account on Freecash, and you'll get a free $5 welcome bonus if you use that link to sign up. Now, signing up there also means you don't need to go through the long process of making an account. You can just log in with Facebook or Google, and Freecash make it really easy to withdraw the money you earn from this trick. So you can use gift cards, PayPal, bank transfer, even crypto. So head over to Freecash and make an account or log in with Google or Facebook as I suggested. If you sign up with email, you'll need to go to the email and verify the address, and then you're in. Sorted. Now head over to the earn section on Freecash, which if you're on desktop is at the top, if you're on mobile it's at the bottom. Super easy. From this earn page, you're going to see various tasks that Freecash will pay users to do. We're focusing on sign-up offers, but if you're interested, they also have paid mobile game testing, they have surveys, they have video watching, they have a ton of stuff that you'll find in these categories. We're going to find the sign-up offers in the other offers category. It doesn't have a dedicated category. So head in there and you're going to see a huge grid of these offers. Now you'll need to actually go through and do a bit of research here because they're not all sign-ups. As it's the other category, you're also going to find banking apps there, which don't just require a download, but require you to potentially invest some money with the bank, or I don't know, maybe a service where you pay monthly and you get sent razors or underpants or something. You can find a huge range of deals there to sign up and get paid to try. But we're focusing on getting paid to download apps. You can click on any one of these offers and it will bring up a row of tasks and it will show you what you need to do and how much you'll get paid. Obviously, we're looking for offers that are install the app, verify an account, and earn some money. I've used it to install TikTok, Netflix, get Prime for a month. I've used it for a banking app, a budgeting app, and some of those apps I actually kept and stuck with, and maybe I actually bought something within the app, maybe like a month's of the pro version, and then you get a bit of money from Freecash as well, so it effectively brings down the cost. I actually really liked the budgeting one. But what apps you find in the other offers section on Freecash, that depends entirely on your region. So I can't tell you what you're going to find there, but probably something good. Go through, select the apps, get them downloaded. Maybe if there's a few extra tasks which don't take much time but pay a bit, let's complete those as well. And then we'll head back over to Freecash, where if we've signed up with our link, you've already got $5 in your account, and you'll see the rest of the money there as well that you've earned through downloading these apps. Now, simply head to the cash out section. Again, you can find that at the bottom on mobile, on the top at PC. And then select the withdrawal method you want. You know, I usually work with PayPal, maybe you prefer bank transfer, maybe you want to invest some, buy some Bitcoin. Fill in your payment details, and the vast majority of all cash outs on Freecash take place within 10 minutes, normally just instant. And that's it. It's that simple to make money downloading apps. But I want to mention a few other great sites where you can find these offers if you don't see exactly what you're looking for on Freecash. First up, there's Swagbucks, which is one of the oldest and largest of these kind of platforms in the world. Because they are so well established, you won't find payment as competitive as you will on Freecash, but you might find more options there, especially if you're based in the US. I also want to mention Scrambly, which is a much smaller and newer app, but I think it's got a really nice UI. It's user-friendly. I've had good experience with their support, and I found a couple of apps that were worth downloading. And lastly, Cash Giraffe, which again is younger and smaller than Freecash and Swagbucks, but I found a few good apps on there and I really like the app. So yes, you can make money downloading apps. It's super simple. Use the link in our bio to get $5. Head over to Freecash, go on to other offers, find the apps you want, get them downloaded, and then cash out your money. Enjoy and good luck earning.